Want to get the toy clutter under control without spending a fortune? Grab these inexpensive bins from Dollar Tree and let's turn the chaos into organized bliss. First up, put a mini trash can in your kids' room. This is such a great way to store those long, awkward toys that never seem to fit anywhere. Think Nerf guns, toy swords, magic wands, you name it. For bigger toys, this large utility tote is a game changer. Toss in action figures, dolls, even stuffed animals, and then slide it right out of sight, next to the couch, behind a chair, or on a playroom shelf. Now, if Barbie dolls are taking over your house, here's a smart fix for you. Grab one of these dollar store fabric bins. Fill the bin up with all the Barbies and store it right inside the Barbie house. And for all those tiny Barbie accessories, shoes, purses, headbands, jewelry, this clear 3-compartment organizer is a must. It keeps everything neat, so you're not constantly hunting for that one missing shoe. It even has a lid to keep things nice and neat. And since these are just $1 each, you could grab a couple of them if you have a really big collection of Barbie accessories to organize. Next, grab a few of these mini crates to corral all of your kids' tiny treasures. This is like the kid version of a junk drawer, perfect for little collections, random trinkets, and all those small things they love to hoard. And the best part? These crates are actually collapsible, so you can fold them up and tuck a few away if you're not using them all. You're gonna love these genius organizing hacks using 5 containers I found at the dollar store. I found this little clear jar with a lid. It's intended to be a candy jar, but I thought it would also work so well for organizing dishwasher pods under my kitchen sink. If you find these little book bins at the dollar store, they can be used for so many things beyond books. Turn them on their side and fill them up with water bottles. This makes it so much easier to grab a bottle. You can quickly see everything at a glance so you're not digging through the whole cabinet, and nothing will get lost in the far back, never to be seen again. If you're hosting a party, look for these little caddies the next time you're at the dollar store. The 3 compartments in this caddy are awesome for organizing all kinds of things, and I have 2 ideas for you today when you're hosting parties. Another way to use this caddy during a party is as a little holder for your s'more supplies. Carry it outside to the campfire and you're all set for a night of making s'mores around the fire. If you're tired of your kids constantly asking for snacks, create a snack bin using one of these large tubs from the dollar store. If you tend to buy snacks in bulk for the whole month, this is a helpful way to make them last longer and ration them out week by week instead of them all being eaten in week 1.
Head to the dollar store aisle with all of the baskets and grab one of those square, clear caddies, the kind that has 2 clips on the bottom. Fill it with items that you use often and that you want to see clearly when you open the door. When you're in the dollar store aisle, full of all those plastic bins, grab a cleaning supply bin that has different compartments and a handle. Fill the basket with baking items that you use frequently and arrange them in the caddy. Things like vanilla extract, baking powder, cooking spray, measuring spoons. Now you have an organized caddy of baking items that you can grab easily in one fell swoop from a kitchen cupboard. Pick up a set of 2 narrow plastic caddies at the dollar store. Clear some space in a kitchen drawer that is close to your coffee maker or teapot. Fill the caddies with individual coffee pods, tea bags, powdered water flavorings, some spoons, and even some paper napkins. The next time you are enjoying coffee or tea with friends, pull the already organized beverage caddies from your drawers and have everything available for your guests. Grab some wide baskets that are just a few inches tall at the dollar store. Open up those cupboard doors in your kitchen and take a good look at all those food cans and boxes that always seem to be disorganized. Fill one of your baskets with all of your canned goods. Group like items together and place them in the basket with the labels facing the same direction. Fill the second basket with all of your box mixes. Place the taller boxes on one side with the shorter ones in front of them. Place your baskets of cans and boxes in your cupboard or pantry drawer and always be able to find what you need on the spot. I hope this inspired you to organize your kitchen with inexpensive bins from the dollar store.
The next time you're at Dollar Tree, pick up a few of these common household items to get your kitchen organized. So I'm going to begin here in my pot and pan drawer. I have a nice spot for my pots, but then the lids are just kind of floating here in this pull-out drawer. So I'm going to begin by taking the self-adhesive hooks we got, and I'm going to hold up my pot lid and then I'm going to place them around the pot lid so that they're nice and snug. And then this is just going to help guide where to put the hooks. And then you'll see when I open the door here, the pot lids are mounted on the side of my cupboard, and that frees up space underneath for the drawer. Next, I'm going to head under my sink here, and this place is just kind of a catch-all for all my cleaning products, and they're just kind of very messily stored under here. So I actually got this container a while ago at Dollar Tree. It's an over-the-hook door container, and it actually fits the kitchen bags very nicely, so you can take the roll out of that big clunky box. Next, I'm going to take this over-the-door hook storage piece that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use it to hang all of my scrub brushes for when I do the dishes, and this just keeps them off my counter and out of the way and easily accessible within arm's reach for when I'm doing the dishes. I'm then going to take this smaller over the hook door one, and I thought this would be perfect for my Swiffers and my cleaning dusting supplies to just hang here on the inside of the cabinet. Next, I'm going to take this magazine rack, and I'm actually going to put it into a big large tote. And this is going to store all my big larger items that don't really fit into cabinetry nicely. And then I can just take this tote and put it in my pantry. I hope that you found these organizational tips and hacks helpful, and maybe you can use some of these in your kitchen.
There are so many ways to organize your home with just a quick trip to your local dollar store. Start by buying several metal napkin holders. Line up 2 of the napkin holders side by side and anchor them together with zip ties at the base of the holders. Place this tied unit near an electrical outlet and store your tech devices upright in the holder while they are charging. You know those plastic cutting board sheets at the dollar store? Pick up some of those and line your refrigerator shelves with them. They keep food containers from shifting around the shelves or falling over. I love using the wire storage shelves from the dollar store around the house, but put a little twist on it by bending the back legs down so they are on the same plane as the shelf. Flip the unit upside down and place it in a drawer. This is the perfect way to store all those little spice containers. I hate it when a storage tray floats and wiggles around in a drawer. Flip the tray upside down and place some glue dots in the corners. Put the tray back in the drawer and press down where the glue dots are applied, and then load up the tray. No more wiggles. Add some glue dots to the bottom of a vase and press it down onto the shelf. Now you don't have to worry about it falling over. Glue dot your accessories and you are guaranteed a safe and secure display. I hope this inspired you to visit your dollar store to find inexpensive and creative ways to organize your home.